Next is Rwakimari Albert, who is the founder of NUNU Fund. Welcome.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I'm the founder, NUNU Fund. We are helping thousands pay school fees. Did you know that 400 children drop out of school every day in Uganda? As we sit now today, here, yeah, before you get home. And according to statistics, 2023 UNEB, 1 million children drop out of school between 2016 2022. And globally, we have 244 million children out of school, and on African continent, 78 million children out of school. And it means 70% of Ugandans are into subsistence farming, and they are the ones who are not sending their children to school. So, as we are making millions out of agriculture, we cannot support these farmers to send their children to school, yet we are eating their food. It's so absurd. We are just bringing a diversified solution to make things simple, and the ecosystem supports each other. We have the local businesses which are in parishes where we come from, but we also have the schools in the same parishes, schools which are actually government schools. But we also have those farmers in those locations. So we are tapping into those markets. Please go back briefly. We are tapping into those markets to ensure that each part supports the other. I wish we sat here today and Onomo Hotel has given us maybe out of the money the sponsors of this have given us a discount. We would support maybe 20 kids to be in school sustainably. What we are saying is we are working with the businesses to contribute 20% of every farmer who goes to purchase stuff from their shops. They give us 20%. Schools themselves, where kids go, they contribute 10%. And we have a seed bank where farmers bring what they are growing into the bank. We negotiate with the schools as we wait prices to spike. Then when we sell, we pay the schools. We procure scholastic materials and we feed these kids. I wonder why government is using a lot of money to not manage that. But for us, we are at least bringing that to make it things easy. Our target market, they are retail businesses, they are schools themselves, and the poor families with of school-going children and local farmers. Next slide. The value we offer is flexible school fees payment, but we also support schools. It's hassle to collect school fees from somebody who is starving. So we support schools to collect school fees. But we negotiate school fees prices on behalf of our farmers. And more children are actually getting to school. Next slide. Our model is simple. A typical farmer brings what they have harvested into our bank. We keep for them because they don't have money to bank in the banks. So they bring what they have to us. For us, we know how to do that. And then we also have business hubs where these farmers buy salt. They also contribute to the poor. And then the schools where these kids go, we negotiate the prices and we say, bear with us. We shall bring you the money on behalf of these parents. But we also have people who we know cannot be our customers, the high spenders. When they go to buy from these businesses, they contribute. Whatever they buy, the businesses are able to give us a discount. And knowing that you are indirectly contributing to making sure children go to school. Next slide. We ask businesses when they are joining our model to pay subscription, but we also, when we are paying the school, we don't, it's a free interest loan. What we give you is what you give us. We just put a management fee of 2%. So our loans to these local farmers is actually free interest. And when we already have the beans in our store, so no worry. What we give is what we have in the store. And we also ask households to subscribe. They don't give us cash. We sell and make money together. And then we also make commissions on our discounts and also return on investment, especially from the seeds. We reach the market through just a word of mouth. Who doesn't want to see the children going to school? So if you hear that we are here as your savior, you come running. No worries about that. Let us go forward. We are best. Actually, we are digitizing our model. We're having, you have heard so many things that happen. For us, we have a model which is going to be digitized. It's like save when buying. You just go to a business, you buy, and you get a discount. It comes to you either on your account or you donate to us if you don't need 100 shillings. For us, we need. Our model is inclusive, and we give non-collateral loans and actually free loans and then dry seed. So we beat whoever in the market, by the way, hands down. Next slide, please. We have 7.4 million local farmers. They are sending their children, 15 million children, to 50 schools across the country. But in Kabale, where we are best, we are targeting 40,000 local farmers in 140 schools, and we want to support 11,000 children. Since we started 2020 during COVID time, and as I talk now, as of today, this term, we have 900 children in school with 2,167 households. And we have raised in revenue $22,677. Next slide, please. We are asking a blended financing of 50,000, and with this, we can send 3,500 children. We register as 10,000 local farmers, and also register 50 retail businesses. And we want to improve on our monthly revenue by 60%. That's our financial projections, how we have been doing it. When we invest this, it means we are going to be having a net profit or a gross profit of $147. We are all young, visionary people. The challenge we had previously, we lacked people to digitize our system. But I'm happy to say we have gotten 2 young, passionate people who are social software engineers. Me coming from a medical world, having been in entrepreneurship now for more than 10 years, it means we are going to achieve great things to ensure that all children can actually access education. This is our contacts. Please, wherever you go, we need that 50 shillings or 100 shillings. It means a lot to us. We don't care about. Don't fear. Rich people can fear to give you 100 shillings. For us, we need it. We don't need millions. We just need 100 shillings. I think, thank you so much for listening.
Very well done. Thank you, Albert. Just a quick question. Did you work with anybody to structure this pitch, or is it just your team or you yourself?
With my team, we worked to structure this. Okay. But it is also in head because I'm the one doing it.
Okay. Very well. Very well. I think there's quite a bit of lesson learning on how, different people structure the pitches, but you might not be interested in the idea, or you might be. But I honestly think this was a very well structured pitch. I really, really think so. I really think that.